STAXX EZSERVICE. Make your job easier. Everyone could be an expert. Download WeChat from App Store by searching WeChat. Or download WeChat via the following website. Tap the search icon at the upper right corner. Search STAXX EZSERVICE and enter the applet. Watch the homepage introduction video to get to know the applet content. According to the failure classification, enter the interface of selecting corresponding failure. Tap the corresponding failure phenomenon for troubleshooting. The text is above, and you may scroll to read all. Tap the play button to watch the video, which can be viewed in full screen. Tap Step 2 to view the corresponding video clip. Click the corresponding phenomenon to enter the next step. If the problem is not solved, you can fill in the corresponding problem and pictures, and after submitting the work order, the after-sales personnel will provide you with one-to-one service. Click My Page to query the work order processing progress. Tap the Troubleshooting and Install/Uninstall video inventory below. You can watch the required video directly.